Hey guys, welcome to another Python tutorial with me, your host, Yujin Tang. This is episode 3 of how to create your own clone of Jasper AI or Copy AI, a generative AI copywriting tool. So far, we have created the skeleton outline of our application of our generative AI copywriter, and we've created a way to generate section headers. Now we're going to create a way to take the section headers that are generated, which comes back as a string, and turn that into a list of strings so that we can more easily customize and manipulate our section headers and our talking points. So let's just see what that looks like. So this is what the response will look like. Now let's create a way to turn this response into a list. So results list, we're going to set this and the item. And now basically we're going to loop through every character for char in response. If the char is not a digit, if not, char.isDigit, and char is not equal to a period, then item gets the char. Elif, the character is equal to a new line, and the item is not empty, then results list, append item, and reset the item. And now also, if at the end there should be something in the item. Oh yes, so we should append the stripped version so we don't have any extra extra spaces. If item.strip is not equal to this, then results list append item.strip. Yes, okay, so at the end we return the results list. So that is the function for turning the string into a set of, turning a string into a list. And now we're going to see how that works. We're going to go down here and we're going to do headers, and then we're going to set that equal to generative AI dot process GPT response outline. And we're going to print the headers. So that's basically all we're going to do here, and then we're going to check out what this would look like. So Python API.py. Oh, that is very strange. This looks like it's a weird response from GPT-3. Let's try this again. This should not come like this. This is a very weird, there we go. It should look something like this. So sometimes, AI does this, and that's also why we're going to put in the ability to edit each of these headers so that we can, do something about these kinds of weird responses. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 4, where we're going to create the talking points for each header.